This is a short update on the new Child Welfare Center in Sumbawa. Thanks to many supporters and sponsors, we are already very far. The buildings are up and it is starting to look like a real home. But we still need a few things to complete it. Let me show you. We built 12 children's homes, and they are almost finished. They already have bunk beds, lockers, tables, and chairs. What we still need in every home are TVs, carpets, curtains, pillows, blankets, towels, and fans. Some homes also still need small items like laundry baskets and shoe racks. The central kitchen is finished and ready to cook over 900 meals per day. The stoves and working areas are there. To run it daily, we still need extra kitchen tools. The primary and middle school buildings are done, and every classroom has tables and chairs. To make teaching complete, we still need whiteboards, teachers' desks with chairs, a small library, and a computer classroom. Fans and some curtains will also help to keep the classrooms cool. Outside, we want to make it green and self-sustainable with fruit trees, and we want to add playgrounds on both sides of the center. For all of this, we still need sponsors. If you want to help us finish these last needs, please contact us through pedulianak.org. Every bit of support helps the children in Sumbawa.